Hey guys, this is part 2. I accidentally ended it. I'm really sorry. Go check out part 1. It's just a few like seconds long. Don't know where that is. Oh, just got it. Yeah, it's Bonfire night, like I said. Oh shoot. Oh. Yeah. Don't know where Heidi's went. I'm gonna see. Ah, for goodness sake. Yeah. It's dark, but oh my god, I keep. I'm trying to vlog. I don't know if you can see that fire over there, but there's a little one. Every time I face the camera to me, look ends. Right, I'm gonna get Heidi with it. Guys.
She doesn't care that obviously she
Why are you putting? Oh my gosh! She won't come down. It's fine. It's little for you. It's so dark, guys. Yeah, accidentally ended the video.
So this is part 2. Yeah, but nobody would show up anyway because it's Bonfire night. People will call it.
Yeah, people are like.
So let's just video in case we find the fire.
Yeah. Those like big loud ones.
Like fire over there.
Yeah.
You'll see it. No, it's too bloody.
Hi guys, you're in my vlog. Don't know if you can see that fire over there.
Where I know if you can see that.
Yeah, you can see a little bit. All you can see is cars, kind of.
Yeah, no.
I bet like
look at the
oh shoot! No, I missed it.
I can't show mine. Mine isn't.
Can't really see mine, but see like from my view, it's like.
Why are you not making it sparkles and stuff?
Oh no, missed that one.
Why can we not?
Oh my god. What? Oh, we're gonna set our first fireworks.
We're gonna set fireworks as well.
I thought that was carrots. I can't wait till Christmas. All I can think about is Christmas.
Yeah,
right now.
exactly. Like it's November.
Oh, for goodness sake. Oh shit!
Where did that come? Where did that come from?
I don't know. They're so loud. Fuck.
Wow, that gave me.
Where did that go? Oh, it's up there. Wow. That was
Can
very
we go
bad.
over there so we can get a bit?
Yes. Excuse me. Wait, I can't see it.
There can I?
Right,
I can see.
look at that sparkle.
I like this one.
Hello. Excuse me.
Shut up.
You shut up. Oh, I want to see Ollie. It's. Oh my god, it's really. Ollie. Oh, where's Ollie? Ollie.
Ollie, she's in here by herself.
No, my mum's in here. Oh my god, there's big bags. See, oh, you can't really see from. Dad set off one, but it's cracked. Let's go downstairs. And that's good. Let's see if we can go like round back or something.
Stop!
Don't know. Oh wait, it's facing away. What? Oh, my dad's not setting off one. Wait, there's good lighting in here, so we're just gonna like in here a bit. Oh no, we missed one.
Yeah, I can't see. Mine isn't video inside. Lucky you get a good thing outside.
You pure need to do it. No, you need to put.
Oh,
Oh, my dad's setting off one. So guys, hopefully you can see this.
oh.
You'll see him from run away.
Look at that.
Look at that. Whoa, whoa. Whoa.
Look at that, guys.
I feel like going outside. But it says oh. Is that a fly, Ollie? Oh.
So guys, let's go outside. And
Yeah, let's go outside. It's better, kind of. Let's go. Why is there loads of bandits here? It's stinking out here. I just got that. There's a big gang of people.
Look at all
close. I feel like they've got fire on it.
Oh, look at that one.
What's that? Where's that?
It was over there.
Oh shit. Wait, is that setting off another one? Watch that! Oh shit! Oh, it's so cool, man. Oh shit! Oh. Stinks really bad. Oh, it's not that bad, but you know what I mean. Oh, they've got rockets, these teenagers. And I'm scared because they're like... Oh, no!
There. Wait, let's stand down here.
Yeah, let's stand down here. Oh,
Wait.
oh, got that. Got that.
I got that.
Yeah, see, I think I got that. Sorry guys, it's dark. Because... Wait. That's creepy, but... Oh, they're cat ones. Yeah, they're cat.
They're just
This video's going to be long, so like...
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
going to
it's
be
going
long.
to be really long. There'll be like... There's already part 1 because I accidentally ended it. So this might be part 2 and then 3 and... Depends, or else this might be
Yeah,
just
there's going
part
to be like
2.
part 2.
Oh no!
That one wasn't that good, that one. We just
Yeah. My dad might say it like, oh no! No, my dad!
Look at what Granda's doing. So what you
Right,
got?
come on here. Stand there.
Oh, it's off. Oh, it's okay. Olivia's just too busy drawing.
Wait, get one because I don't want to like say it one.
Oh, that was nice over there.
It's okay.
No, I don't. 'Cause
kinda
they're
wanna
like
go with-
teenagers.
Oh, I got that.
I didn't.
I thought I was facing the other way.
Shoot. Where is it?
I want to go over there where that fire is and watch them all.
Yeah, I don't know if you'll see that.
Would we be allowed?
I've got an iPad, so yeah, I'm vlogging on my iPad because I'm just double tapping. It's easier. Double tap, it's so much easier.
How?
Oh my god! Look, just do that. Is that all?
It's easier than this.
This better be good. Yay!
That was a
God,
good
that
one.
was
That was a
good.
good one. That was a good
Oh,
one.
oh, sorry. Right, let's try not
There's
to.
a unicorn light. The ones.
Oh my god, we were going to get the unicorn ones.
They're
Sold
crap.
out.
Are they?
Sold out.
Oh my.
We went to Asda. Hey, don't hurt me. Excuse me. I'm just going to keep the camera light because I know there's like nothing because, yeah.
But
Oh, my dad's setting off a rocket. Shoot. Watch. Watch, Dad. Oh, shit, no. No, I didn't get that.
What did that?
No.
Isn't it?
Oh, she's screaming. She's going to
Stand
scream.
in the back garden.
Oh, no. That was good. No, I think I just got that. Dad, set off another rocket.
Wait, let's go closer to the garden then.
No, it's fine. My dad's going to set off another rocket. Hopefully I get it. Oh, shit. Oh, that would have been good. Oh, wait, what? That was really bad. Oh, that's bad.
I think that was one of the ones that last year we filmed.
Yeah, probably.
Boom,
Boom, bam. What? Why are they setting off the rocket? Wait, I want to see them. What the fuck? Look what they... What is that? Oh my god, it's so smoky. I want to go see. What the fuck? What have they done? What have they done? Why is it all smoke? What have they done? Oh no! No, I keep missing some. Oh, I did. Right, let's go back in. Oh, every time we leave! Dad, set off another rocket! I've not got a Shut up! No! they actually set off like into a... What are they doing? What?
Oh, shit!
Why are they setting it on the road? Oh, sorry. Oh my... No! No! They're setting it on the road.
No, it wasn't on the road, I don't think.
It was in
It
the
was on the
edge. It was on the edge. Yeah, but
Would it drive at the edge?
no, but it can fall, and that can cause like really a double battery. Oh shoot! Got that. I thought I had the camera facing me there.
Yeah,
Yeah, but why are they wasting it? They set one there almost for a house on fire. They set one at
Yeah, because they're
roads.
teenagers, what do you expect? They kill everyone.
No, true.
Teenager, I'm
Oh,
gonna do
oh.
that.
But Ollie, please. I keep calling Layla Ollie. Oh, come on.
I just whacked my leg.
Hey!
Oh my god, that's nice.
Can you
Alright.
only not look out the window?
No, no, she's too small still. What's that? Oh, that's quite cool. Oh,
Never got
fuck. Oh, they're going to set off another rock.
I want to
They're
go
setting
where
off
that
an-
fire is because they've got good fireworks.
Got that bit.
Fudge.
What the heck?
Sorry about the guys, I just cracked the screen.
Did you actually?
No, but I nearly did and it zoomed in.
What? Oh my. That's it. That went in the house. Shh. I'm scared. That went in the house. No. That went in the house. You're actual idiots.
Oh my god, that went in your house.
That went in your house.
I wish I filmed that. I kind of thought.
Oh my god, the teenagers are actual so
Exactly,
dumb.
why would you do that?
Somebody's house. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Everywhere I go. I know.
That went into someone's house. They're not even in their house and they're going to walk in. It's going to be
No,
all
I thought it went through that van.
Yeah, but it went
only
through
van.
the door. I thought it went through.
Oh my god, I actually had a heart attack.
So did I.
No,
My
actually
phone cut out. My phone cut out.
no. Guys, it's
Can I go-
alright.
Can I go charge my phone at yours in your room?
Yeah.
Can you come with me?
Yeah, you don't
Please
need to
come
do
with me.
No, probably miss.
No, please come with me.
Just go up.
No, I can't reach your charger. You know me. Just come and help me.
No, I'm missing it. The fireworks.
Kayla, I don't want to walk in. It's not my house. I wouldn't send you going in my. Oh shit. Can you just come with me?
Fine. I bet we're going to miss it. Don't know if you can see that, guys, but you can kind of. Oh my god, actually had a.
I'm actually feel bad for them now.
Exactly, like
Their
they
house is
actually-
actually going to go like this. Like maybe when they walk.
Yeah, like. Did you see that? The teenagers, the firework went in their house, like the window. Losing me. Lily. Oh my god. Why has she got a wee gun? Shoot. This is quite good.
Look at you.
Hurry up. Mom, I actually got my body. Sorry, please. Where am I going? She is. Well, she is. It's on because I know it doesn't. Hey guys.
I'll just be in your bed.
What? Oh my god! Right, sit down here, right? So I'm going outside. Sorry. That gave me a fright. Oh, I just.
I thought you looked at the mirror.
I know you did. What is that? What is that? Oh, what's that? What is? Yeah. Dad. Can, no. Monkey, monkey. Still, you don't know if that could go that way or that way. What? Dad, yeah.
So that.
Oh my god. Oh no! Oh my god!
Who's facing you the whole
I
time?
hate that. I'm keeping it this way. Sorry. I feel so bad for them. Got a wee bit of it. Oh, that's really
Oh, is my
nice.
head in the way?
No, it's fine. I just do that. Catch me in the beautiful fireworks. Fuck, sorry. Dad, better watch. What the hell? Ours is crap, man. Because my dad dropped it. Not my dad.
It was all sold out, that's why.
Yeah, they were actually crap.
No, see if you stand in Hayley's back garden, you can get a view of Rebecca's, and that's fireworks, and they're so pretty. Do I have to go in? In the
I'm
back
not.
because their fireworks are so good. Like
They'll be in. Because you would have heard the big bang. Because they're loud. Like, actually talk about loud. It's not being
It's
really
so
good
lightning.
fireworks. Dad, is that a rocket? Hang.
Yours the last one.
Alright. Watch, Dad.
I've done the thing.
Have you? I want a sparkler.
I don't want to try and light them. This is sparkling.
Same, I'm having one.
Shut
I
up.
like really excuse me. I'm just putting it on. Move! Whoa! I got that thing.
you did.
Shut up. There we go. No, that's crap. Boom, chicka, boom, boom, boom. Dad, I want a sparkler.
Hold on, I'm going to try and get them pop.
And then I'm just going to sit in my iPad. Like, is it facing me? Really bad. Let me jump on.
Get this pretty one. Oh, that's a wee baby one.
Dad, can I get a sparkler now?
I need to wait till I try and light them.
Excuse me.
Stop saying that.
It's in my head, so no. I know you are. Give one now.
No.
Aye. Don't keep them. Excuse me.
Mum's going to end up not on her shoulders saying that.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
He's farting now.
Wee, did you see your lights?
Oh, pretty. Right, you going upstairs to keep Granny? I'm going. Granny.
That's my mum. It's just. I know.
Shh. I'm not called Layla. I'm called Kayla. I'm not called Layla. That's... Dad, can I get sparkler now?
What do you get to do?
Yay!
Why me a firework?
Oh, for goodness sake.
Oh.
Ugh. Reeking? That's ginking. Bloody ginking! just going to face it here, right? Oh, I think my dad's setting off one again. Yeah, Bali, yeah, la, 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 la.
Shut up.
Excuse me.
Annoying me that one head. What?
Excuse me.
Say that at school.
I do. Excuse me. Excuse me. Can I go?
Shut up. Ah, you missed it, you could. Ah, I missed it again.
No, I didn't.
You didn't.
Excuse me. I didn't.
She's videoing and all.
Ah.
You just hear her fucking big loud shitty voice.
Excuse me.
Ah! Excuse you. Excuse me, sure.
Excuse me.
They're hard that I light them at fireworks, I'm not. I can't light them now. No bother what you said. I haven't got them. Just joking. I want 2 bolts. 2, but you can do it. They're fine.
Dad, I'm having the first one when you
Sorry.
go. Oh, my hands are freezing.
Oh, there's something.
I know, I'm talking about what you said. Raspberry cheesecake. That's the one you use. I'm going to put an iPad there, stupid. The fucking tiny one. That's taking fucking ages. I smell gas. No, that's gas. I'm meaning gas. Someone meat again.
I'm a baby.
Can't even see. I know, it's facing the other way.
It's not actually.
Fuck's sake, you know, right already.
Dad, Nemo.
Thank God. Hey, hold on.
Me.
Oh, Layla, you're
Dad.
fireworks.
Here.
Hi, Dad. It's me.
Right, there, that then. What did it want?
Thinking. I do.
That'd be a YouTube channel. Pig on the door, guys.
No, it's not
Yeah, that's-
actually.
There's Ollie. Ollie.
Hello, yeah.
Right. Watch, because this goes big. That's a bud. I don't know if I'll let that. I'm just a beater.
Oh, my arms are going flat.
Ah, good for you.
Chuck me a wee
I know, yeah. Augustus. Get at it, Mom.
Go and hold that last socket, trust me. Right, yeah, wait. I'm getting the morning.
Let's go upstairs now because it's kind of.
Change your
Just run it. Just.
Can you take Layla? She's killing my
Ah!
ears. I need to put a pram in.
Hold.
Hold her tight. She's very delicate and chubby.
Excuse me. What? Move, Augustus.
Justin, move or I'll knock you out.
Hey, put him in there then.
Fucking landed on my way.
Oh,
Hey, watch out. Hey, good girl.
there's a sharky right there.
We go over at night.
Oh,
myself.
Hey, take it out. Go on it.
Lila. I know. Didn't have a spoon to eat. I forgot to put a spoon in my jelly. Everyone's laughing at me because I had a jelly in there.
I wasn't laughing. That was Paris. She was sitting going like this. Why did you put that jelly in a tub?
I wanted to. Look at these pom-pom hats.
And during the
Look. Put on the flare.
Okay.
Kayla, what? Try to write your name, but I don't know spelling.
It's at the end.
Cheers.
I know I forgot. With more you Justin falling on the on the nappies.
Yeah, bye guys.
Denzel banana. Ryan made that.